In this video I'm going to show you guys how to hide and unhide tagged photos on Instagram. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you want to hide or unhide a tagged photo on Instagram, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, open your Instagram, click on your account on the bottom right corner, click on the three stripes on the top right corner, click on settings, click on privacy settings, and as you can see right here it says tags. Click on that, and as you can see here's a tagged post of mine. As you can see right here, I'm tagged in it. But if I want to hide it, just click on this blue edit button, select the post you want to hide, and as you can see right here, click on hide and click on hide from profile. And as you can see right now, it's hidden from your profile. But if you want to unhide it, then what you want to do, go to your search tab, search for the profile you've just hidden, click on it, click on the post, click once on the post, then click on your name and click on show on my profile. And then you've unhidden it. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I would appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.